Hi guys, what's up? My name is Rukma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have a very special guest with me right here, who's my fiance. So please say hi.
Hi everyone.
And introduce yourself.
I'm Vivek Roy. Fiance of Rukma Roy.
Yes, so it took some hard bit of convincing to get him here, but yes, he finally is here. Let me just first tell you what we are doing in this video. So he will be guessing the prices of 10 of my makeup products and I will be comparing his guesses with the MRP of these makeup products. I've already taken screenshots from Nykaa and I already have them stored with me. So once he guesses, I'm going to be comparing. Agar 50 se 100 rupees ka difference hua, I'll be considering his answer and giving him a point. But agar usse zyada difference hua, then he will not be getting a point. So without any further ado, let's get
started.
And what do they have to do to my channel?
Like, share, comment and subscribe.
Yes, and also enable the bell notification icon. So let's get started. First thing that I am going to be showing Mr. Roy for guessing is this concealer from Lakme. So what is your guess? What can be the price of this Lakme concealer?
$399.
Okay, so his guess is $399. Let's go and check the MRP of this product. The MRP is rupees 600. So here it's like a 200 rupees difference. So sorry, but I can't give you a point for this one. Alright, so we'll move on to the next product, which is a lipstick. And this is from Nykaa, one of my favorite shades. So let's see what guess does Mr. Roy have for us. So what do you think is the price of this lipstick, liquid lipstick?
$450.
Okay, so his guess is rupees 450 and I can see the MRP right here, which is rupees 600. So again, it's a rupees 150 difference. Yes, and again, I'm not being able to give him a point, but we'll move on to the next one and I'm sure he's gonna ace it in some time. So the next product I have for him is this compact powder. Okay, I won't tell you the brand as well. I mean, I don't know if you have an idea कि कौन से brands high-end होंगे and कौन से like reasonable होंगे, but for your convenience, मैं आपको brand भी बता देती हूँ. This is from Biotique and this is their compact powder.
Okay.
Just a hint, they basically make skincare and recently they've started, expanding into makeup also. So what do you think will be the price of this?
$150.
Okay, so Mr. Roy's guess is 150. I feel a hint of cheating here. I don't know why, but I feel like इन्होंने price कहीं से देख लिया होगा इसका, because इतना अच्छा तुक्का इन्होंने कैसे मारा मुझे कोई idea नहीं है. The MRP of this product is rupees 145. I don't know if you can see, and what he has said is rupees
150.
It's a price difference of 5 rupees and I have to give it to him. So he gets a point on this one. Are you happy?
Yeah, very much.
But I'm very sure that you've cheated on this one.
No, I haven't.
I'm sure you have.
No, I haven't.
How did you know the price of this? You tell me. How did you know the price of this?
Guesswork.
What guesswork?
बस guess. नया उन्होंने startup की मतलब नया line खोला है बस.
तो सस्ता ही होगा माल. ऐसा है.
Yes.
Okay, by the way, he just said his name to you all, but I would like to also tell you that he is MBA in marketing and he's very good with social media and social media marketing. So in case you guys are interested, you have any basic questions, you can also leave them in the comment section. Maybe I can convince him to answer some of your basic questions. But yeah, he's really great in all that. So probably उसने वो marketing वाला दिमाग लगाया. So yeah, बहुत तारीफ होगी. अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं. No, just kidding. We'll move on to the next product, which is this primer, which I have from the brand Lakme. I'm again mentioning the brand, but no cheating for this one, huh? This is what the primer looks like. आप size wise सब देख लो. This is what it looks like. आपको क्या लगता है इसका क्या हो सकता है MRP?
250.
Okay, so his guess is rupees 250 and the MRP of this product is rupees 299, which is 300. So again, it's a 50 rupees ka difference. So I again have to give him a point for this one. So you've got 3 points till now, I guess?
Yeah.
So he's got 3 points till now. Let's see what he has to say about the next product, which is an eyeshadow palette. And again, I'd like to mention the brand to you. The brand is Swiss Beauty and I'm not giving you any further hints. This is what the product looks like. You have 9 colors here and this is the palette.
300.
Okay, so as per Mr. Vivek Roy, the price of this eyeshadow palette is rupees 300 palace. And when I checked on Nykaa, the price is rupees 229. So अगर मैं इसको 230 भी पकड़ूं, उन्होंने 300 बोला है, so it's a 70 rupees difference, and I have to again give him a point.
Thanks a lot.
And I yet again sense a bit of cheating there.
Please, मैं क्या apply करता हूँ जो मुझे पता होगा. Come on.
नहीं, apply तो ये नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन आपने इतना अच्छा तुक्का कैसे मार लिया सडनली जब से मैंने इनको ब्रांड बोलना स्टार्ट किया है ना, तब से बहुत अच्छा गेस कर रहे हैं. जब मैं इनको प्रोडक्ट टाइप बता रही थी तभी थोड़ा सा हेजिटेट कर रहे थे, लेकिन जब से इनको ब्रांड में बोल रही हूँ बहुत ही कंफर्टेबली आंसर कर रहे हैं. हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल?
ज्यादा वेल नोन ब्रांड नहीं है, मार्केटिंग बजट नहीं होगा.
हाँ, so like I said, he is an expert in all of that. So वो वाला दिमाग he's applying. So good job. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. I think he's already got 4 points, and we're not left with too many products. I think we're left with 3 or 4 products. So the next product is this mascara, and this is again from the brand Color Bar. I'm really enjoying it because I have a mix of brands here, तो इनको भी थोड़ा सा confusion होगा decide करने में. But yeah, the brand is Color Bar, and this is their mascara. What do you think is the price of this?
400.
Okay, so his guess is rupees 400, and sorry to say, but the MRP of this is rupees 650. So it's a rupees 250 difference, and again I am unable to give him a point for this one. But you've been doing very well, okay? You've been doing very well for a guy, okay? So
Thank you.
Moving on to the next one, it's again another eyeshadow palette. ये भी Swiss Beauty का palette है, लेकिन I would like to show you this palette in a little more detail because this has a lot of colors. So probably you can guess nicely. अभी कितना हो सकता है इसका MRP, आपको क्या लगता है? टिक टिक 1, टिक टिक 2, हाँ
850 to 900.
850 to 900. चलो ठीक है, थोड़ा सा आपने ज्यादा बोल दिया है. The price, the MRP of this one as per Nykaa is rupees 700. And he has said 800 to 900. तो अगर मैं 800 पकड़ू, he gets a point there because it's a rupees 100 difference. But अगर मैं 900
ना चलता है.
Okay, chalo, I'll give a point for this one also because he was pretty close. It's just a rupees 100 difference, and मैंने 100 तक ही वो set किया था कि अगर 100 तक उन्होंने guess कर दिया तो I'll be giving him a point. So he gets a point for this one. Yay!
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll move on to the next product now. Okay. So we have 3 products to go, okay? And the next product is a kajal. Now I am a very avid user of a kajal, so you know how much I use this. But do you know the price of this? I'll let you have a look. And this is from Maybelline. I have to say the brand.
190.
Okay, so his guess is rupees 190, and as per Nykaa, the MRP is rupees 300. So he just missed a point here because it's 110 rupees ka difference. So he has just missed a point, but very good attempt. Next up, we have a foundation. Yes, one of my recent favorites in the foundation category. This is again from Lakme. I have to mention the brand, and this is their Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. What do you think is the price of this?
650.
Okay, so rupees 650 is what he has guessed, and the MRP of this product as per Nykaa. Do you want to read it out to our viewers? What is the price?
475.
Yes. So it's rupees 475. It's almost a rupees 200 gap, so he doesn't get a point there. I guess we're on the last product now, okay? The 10th product. And he's done pretty well. I'm very impressed. So this is the last product for this video. Are you getting bored by any chance? वो खेल रहे थे मेरे concealer के साथ, वो गिर गया. Anyway, so the next product is Lakme's Insta Liner. Okay, I'm sure people who are watching this might be knowing about this and the price. So what do you think is the price of this?
250.
Okay, so his guess is rupees 250, and the MRP, I'm very sorry to say, is rupees 130. बहुत ही inexpensive and बहुत ही अच्छा eyeliner है ये. So it's a 120 rupees का difference, which means again I am unable to give him a point. But that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video entertaining and fun to watch. And yeah, what do you have to say about like parting comments क्या है आपके? I'm basically bribing him to say something nice about me, but yeah, just say something. मैंने आपकी इतनी तारीफ की, आप ये करते हो, वो करते हो, ये marketing, वो marketing, आप भी कुछ बता दो कि हाँ, it was fun participating in this video, and you'll be collaborating with me in the future as well.
Sure, ditto. I will, and it was quite fun.
You enjoyed being a part of my video?
Yes.
Will you be participating in my video in the future?
Yes, I will. I'll have to.
That was crazy funny when he said I have to, as if मैंने कोई बंदूक डाल के रखा है उनके सर पे. But नहीं, so it was actually a busy Sunday for him, but he took out time for me and I'm so happy for that. So you guys have to like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also put down your comments down below and let us know if you've liked the video and shower some love so that I can convince him to be a part of more of my videos. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care, stay home, lots and lots of love. Bye-bye.
Ta-da!
Bye.